Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. Viewers, a video has surfaced from Hooghly district, allegedly from Hooghly district in West Bengal, which we are going to show you just now. And BJP's IT cell chief Amit Malviya has launched a scathing attack on Mamata Banerjee-led West Bengal government. He has in fact put out this video that we are talking about. This is allegedly from Hooghly district in West Bengal. Now, he has alleged criminal neglect. Now, what we can see in this visual is quite shocking. We can see school children as well as the teacher there in Hooghly district being forced to sit with umbrellas in classrooms due to a leaking roof. Just look at this shocking visual that we have for you. In a long post on social media platform X, Amit Malviya has shared that as many as 68 students, all between the age group of 5 and 10, were enduring the rain inside a school building with a damaged roof. He says, "What a shame. This is the tragic reality of Mamata Banerjee's education model in West Bengal." So a scathing attack there that has come from BJP, and calling out state's flagship initiative, which is in the field of education. Amit Malviya questioned the spending on infrastructure. He asks, where are the thousands of crores claimed to be spent on school infrastructure really going? Let's go across to my colleague Ridita, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Can you give us more details? It's a very shocking visual that we have for you, and BJP is clearly calling it a shame and saying it is the tragic reality of Mamata Banerjee's education model.
Absolutely. As you see the visuals on your screen where the students are forced to sit with an umbrella in this school in Pandupara, which is, the school's name is Panchpara Primary School. It falls under ITC 46, which means it is one of the government schools under Mamata Banerjee's government school models. And the Jayanto Ghosh, which is the headmaster of the school, has now raised his concern after repeatedly putting it through the years of the local representatives out there. He has now said that 67 students of the schools are made to sit under broken roofs. His concerns are very sharp that what will happen if any of these roofs fall on the students, especially after their midday meals. There are visuals that we have also seen where their midday meal that is profoundly under the Mamata Banerjee's model school, where students are given free lunch, that is also happening under this broken roof, which lets water fall on this and also hampering the safety of the food, the hygiene of the food. So this is a concern that has been raised by one of the schools in Hooghly, which has also been toppled by Amit Malviya, BJP. Right. So you understand that this school model, that it is only Hooghly which is which is being reflected, but this is also in many of the schools or in the
All right, Sridhita, for now, thank you for joining us with your inputs on this story. We'll see how TMC will respond to this particular charge, this big allegation by the BJP. We will slip into another short break right now. More news and updates coming your way on the other side. Don't go anywhere.